Hey guys, welcome back to another video of epictech.in, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to customize your Windows system from this to this. Alright, so let's begin. Before we begin, if you guys get any sort of errors or even that error is not related to this topic, don't worry, just comment down below. I'll be helping you with it. Alright, so let's begin. So first what I want to do is I want to hide these apps on desktop. So for that, I'm just going to right click. And then I'm going to click on view and show desktop icons. So like that you can see the apps have disappeared. If you want them back, you can do the same method. So now I'm just going to open up my web browser and search for Rainmeter. So what Rainmeter basically is, it's an app which we use to customize Windows systems. Right, so I'm going to download that. I've given the download link of Rainmeter in the description. You can click on it and it takes you to this website. So I'm just going to click on download. And it's downloading. Now I've installed the setup of Rainmeter and I'm going to run it to install the app. So I'm just going to run it. Select my language, hit OK. And over here, make sure you guys hit standard installation, and it's the recommended one. So I'm just going to click on that and hit next. Install. Yeah, so now I finished installing Rainmeter, and make sure you uncheck this box near Run Rainmeter and click on Finish. Now I've just opened up Rainmeter and this is how it looks like. So you can see that already there are some custom built-in themes over there. For example, google.ini. If I click on load, you can see that there's this Google widget appearing over here, and it's a fully functional widget. So if I just click on unload, the widget will disappear just like that. And so what we'll be doing is that we'll be installing 4 themes from this website called DeviantArt. So I'm just going to type in DeviantArt on my web browser and click on the first link. And first I'm going to type in mod. And I'm just going to click on the first theme and download. So I've downloaded that. Now what I'll be downloading is audio visualizer. So I'm just going to search audio visualizer. Audio visualizer. And hit enter. And I'm going to click on the monster cat visualizer. And so this is a GitHub link, and it takes you to this GitHub page. And I've given the the link to the GitHub page in the description. You can just click on that. And so I've downloaded that. Now I'm gonna search Cyber Circle Suite. And hit enter. And I'm going to download that. Now for a final theme, I'm just gonna type in weather. And I'm gonna click on the third theme on the right. By the way, I've given the links of all of these themes in the description. You can just click on it and download it. So I'm just gonna download that too. Now about the wallpaper, I've given a link in the description of the wallpaper. So this is our wallpaper. So I've given a download link in the description. You can just download it. So I'm just gonna set it as my background. And if I exit that, oh, yeah. So you can see that the background's over there. Now we have one more app to install from the Microsoft Store. So I'm just gonna open up Microsoft Store and type in Translucent TB. Yeah, so I'm going to click on get. I've installed it. So now I'm just going to click on open. You can see that the taskbar right now, it is transparent. Right, so let's move on with the themes of Rainmeter. So I'm just going to open up the themes and I'm going to install them one by one. So now I'm going to start with the Monster Cat audio visualizer. And click on install. So I've opened up the settings and this is what you can see. I'm just going to click on setup. And you can see that the audio visualizer has already loaded up. To try it out, I'm just going to play a random song in Spotify. You can see it's working. So I'm just going to pause the song. And yeah, let me edit it. So you can just click on this if you want, but I'm not just going to click on that. So if the visualizer scale, I want it to be 0.20 and the visualizer height 99 pixels, rotation angle to 13 degrees. And over here in visualizer, I'm gonna give the bar width a 14 pixels. Yeah, that's enough. And the bar gap of 11 pixels. And styling, over here you can select a color if you want any other colors, but I'm just gonna go with white. You know what, I'm just gonna increase the visualizer height a bit to 149. Yeah, that's enough. So I'm just gonna drag the player over here. We don't want that, so I'm just gonna unload that skin. For that, I'm just gonna open up Rainmeter and I'm gonna click on the folder Monster Cat Visualizer and background.ini. It's unloaded. Settings, no need of settings. Where is that? Yeah, song information. You can see left.ini. Click on unload. Right.ini. Oh yeah, it's the same thing. So yeah, that's all of it. Now I'm just gonna close the app. For example, if I just play a song, it looks like this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pause it. We gotta install the rest of our teams. So now I'm gonna go with Mond. I'm just gonna install Mond and layout install. So once I wait, oh yeah, it has loaded. You can see it's over there. So we don't want some of these themes. We just want the Monday and the 9th May 22, the year and the time. So I'm just gonna unload the rest. Media player. Yeah. So I've unloaded all the unwanted skins and I've kept the one that we want. And I'm just gonna click on close settings over here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna install our other theme, which is Cyber Circle Suit. And so click on install. So that hasn't loaded on desktop yet, so to load that I'm just going to open up Rainmeter and you can see Cyber Circles and click on clock.ini and load it. So you can see that our clock has loaded. And I'm just going to drag it over there. On desktop. You know what, I'm just going to drag it to the left over there. Yeah, that's a nice spot. So yeah, that's with this. Now all we gotta install is the weather theme, so for that I'm just gonna open my folder again and install weather desk. So I'm just gonna run that, click on install, and you can see it has loaded. So I'm just gonna drag it to the right above the moon over there. Yeah. So now let's check for the final results. So with that all being said, our video is finally coming to an end, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye.